Hey, welcome back. And guess what I have here? It's a new battery for our RV. It's a lithium battery and I cannot wait to test this out and install it. So yeah, I really cannot wait to test this one out. It's from LiTime. Oh, well, it's not so heavy, it's about 11 kilograms. I'm gonna film this in my point of view so you get the full experience of unboxing this stuff. Yeah, wait a second. Oh. As you guys probably seen the title of this video, I'm gonna also install it and see how it works. So this is the first impression. We got some documents. Yeah, what is this, man? And I guess we don't need this. Stickers if you need it. I don't need stickers. What is this? Okay, they teach you how to install this one. Alright, I'm gonna read it. By the way, this looks so high quality. I mean, they look really nice. The product manual. Okay, it has 1280 watts. I think those are the screws. Yeah. Ugh. Okay, we got the screws. Oh, so they have some nice protective plastic stuff to put over the screw. Nice. What a great attention to detail. I love this stuff. By the way, guys, the RV is almost finished. I have some work to do. I have some more work on it, but it's gonna be done by by this summer. Okay, and that's the battery. Wow, they even have a small strap to hold it. Okay. Oh, come on, get out. Nice. Okay. I love it, man. This looks so high quality. I mean, it's not a sponsorship or anything. I tried to get sponsored, but bad luck, I guess. I really like the quality. If I'm not gonna be happy with it, I'm gonna tell you in the comments. Some protective plastics. Okay, but I'm gonna need to read the manual a bit so I make sure I don't make any mistakes, because this is pretty expensive. I mean, it was like this one was around $250. For Romanian money, it's a bit much. Yeah, by the way, guys, this is the way I install it. I don't recommend anyone to do the stuff I do or copy me. I'm just gonna install it the way I know it's right. So don't take advice from me, okay? I don't wanna y'all burning your houses down. Not so heavy, it's alright. And I'll get my tools out right about now. I'm gonna need screws. This one. I think this stuff. Some isolating tape. Something to cut the wires. Alright. Okay, we're ready. Whew. I hope it's gonna work. So this is my battery right now. As you guys can see, it doesn't look so safe, right? We're gonna have to make the connections for all of these cables. Let me check if I have everything I need. Yep. Before disconnect any battery, you have to disconnect the solar panels. Otherwise, you're gonna burn your controller. So I'm gonna start with the minus. I'm gonna put it like this so it doesn't touch anything. Okay, that's some Balkan style repairing, guys. Don't judge us, okay? That's how we grow up. Okay, I'm gonna start with the negative first. I'm gonna need this little hammer. See, now it's moving. Okay, so the negative is out. Okay. By the way, this is not my work, guys. This is how I got the RV. Come on. Now let's get this battery out. Oh man. It's gonna be so heavy. It's about 30 kilograms and the space is not really friendly. Whew. This shit is heavy, man. The biggest one, okay. So I'm gonna try my best to improvise a bit. Okay, I need to make this one smaller. I think that's enough. This one is gonna be easy. But first I'm gonna put this piece of plastic over, as always, because I like it when this is gonna look clean and safe also, and burn it so it's gonna contract over the cable, and yeah, that's about it. That's how I usually do all of my connections. The second cable is done. Now I'm gonna put something over them to protect. Now to the next, which is this one. Come on, get out, get out. Out with the old, in with the new. It's gonna be pretty hard to figure this one out. This is gonna work, but this and I'm also noting them up so I know which one is which. I'm gonna have one more which is gonna fit really nice, right? I mean, I hope so. By the way, we do have a fire extinguisher right there in case something happens, but I pray to God it doesn't. Getting the lighter again. Finished. All the cables are finished. Now I have to put a battery in and connect it. I cannot wait. We're about to drop this bomb. So first it's gonna be the positive. and then the negative. I have a bit I'm a bit nervous, but I don't know why. So these two are gonna come here. I'm gonna need the red cap because this is positive. This is harder than it looks, guys, trust me. Now the black cap for the negative. And we got, and guess what, it works, everyone. We got battery, yeah. And it's working, nice. Hey, so it looks like it's working. So I didn't burn anything. I'm really happy with the results. Now I'm gonna have to set the controller to LifePO4. So now to change this stuff I have to go to battery. I think I'm gonna hold enter. Okay, battery type. I really don't know. Hey, I'm back after a bunch of work and research and all of this stuff. I figured it out. You actually need an adapter like this one, and you need to buy this thing, put it inside the COM section, and then you're gonna do the settings inside an app. My head hurts so much. Just for the sake of it, I'm gonna show you. Okay, now it's on. Let me charge my Mac. It's working, right? I'm really happy that nothing burned or exploded, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how this LiTime battery is working out for me. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thanks, and by the way, don't forget to check my Instagram. It's paul.adrian_official. See ya.